ABML Morning Update. Nifty extends gain for second straight day, proving FPI's Sell India critics wrong. Global markets. US stocks ended on a mixed note on Tuesday, with the Dow Jones closing at record highs, gaining 1.18%. S&P also gained 0.21%. However, Nasdaq struggled, shedding 0.25% as investors moved money away from technology stocks into other parts of the market that traded at lower valuations. Tuesday's moves come a day after the major US indexes rallied across the board on hopes that the record-setting US government shutdown could be nearing an end. The Senate on Monday evening passed a bill to end the stoppage, sending it to the House. The negotiated deal does not include Democrats' demand that any funding bill must include an extension of Affordable Care Act subsidies and instead calls for a vote on the tax credits in December. European stocks maintained their positive momentum on Tuesday as an end to the US government shutdown is in sight. The Pan-European Stoxx 600 index ended the session with a provisional gain of 1.3%, with all major bourses and sectors in positive territory. Domestic market. Indian equity indices ended on a positive note on November 11th. At close, the Sensex was up 0.40% at 83,871, and the Nifty was also up 0.47% at 25,695. Gift Nifty trades higher by 159 points at 25,979, signaling a gap-up start to the trading session. India and the US are close to finalizing a bilateral trade deal, with no further rounds of negotiations expected. Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal stated that both countries aim for a fair, balanced, and equitable agreement that serves India's interests. Officials confirmed that 5 rounds of talks have been completed, and discussions are now focused on final approvals. Alongside the US, India is also advancing trade talks with New Zealand and the Gulf Cooperation Council, while Bahrain and Qatar plan separate bilateral agreements. The government emphasized its readiness for all outcomes and its commitment to strengthening India's global trade position through balanced and mutually beneficial deals. Focus for the day. India CPI. Cohance Life Q2 FY26 results. Lemon Tree's second quarter of fiscal year 2026 results. Key corporate developments/policy actions. BSE Limited reported Q2 FY26 results with revenue 1,068 crore rupees, up 44% year-on-year, EBITDA at 690 crore rupees, up 78% year-on-year, and net profit at 558 crore rupees, up 61% year-over-year, driven by higher transaction volumes and sustained growth across key business segments. Tata Power posted a net profit of 1,245 crore rupees, up 14% year-on-year and down 1% quarter-on-quarter. Revenue slipped to 15,544 crore rupees, down 1% year-over-year and 14% quarter-over-quarter, while EBITDA fell 12% year-over-year to 3,301 crore rupees, with margins down to 21.24%. Transrail Lighting reported a net profit of 90.98 crore rupees, up 65% year-over-year and down 14% quarter-over-quarter, on revenue of 1,534.25 crore rupees, up 44% year-over-year and down 6% QoQ. EBITDA rose 33% year-on-year to 157.15 crore rupees, with margins easing to 10.24%. Bajaj Finserv reported Q2 FY26 results with revenue at 37,403 crore rupees, up 11% year-on-year, and net profit stood at 2,244 crore rupees, up 7.5% year-on-year, driven by strong performance across its lending, insurance, and asset management businesses. Fund flow. FII sold shares worth 8.03 billion rupees while DII bought for 21.88 billion rupees.
Investment in securities markets are subjected to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.